I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Closing your Citibank account can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Review account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the account link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect your account number, identification, and any other relevant documents. This will make the process smoother when you contact customer service. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Citibank as customer service or visit a local branch. Inform them that you want to close your account and follow their instructions. Step 4. Confirm closure details. Ask for confirmation of the account closure process, including any final statements or documents you need. This is crucial to ensure everything is settled correctly. Step 5. Monitor your account. After closing, keep an eye on your email and any remaining account activity for a few weeks. This will help catch any unexpected charges or issues. If you follow these steps, closing your account should be a breeze. Good luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.